Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I've received a package in the mail, so I think it's called Merry Mail because it's like, you know, Merry Christmas time and it's very merry looking, but I'm not sure exactly who it's from. I know it is from California. This is very familiar, but let's just open it up and find out. And of course, no tag, no info on the tag. Oh, look at how beautiful this is. Okay, so let's see the card first. And I've had it for over a week and only now got the chance to film it. Okay, so this card. How beautiful. Oh, it's from Lou David. And she says, wishing you a very Merry Christmas and a blessed New Year. May all your new days be happy and crafty. Yes. Thank you, girl. Thank you. And how beautiful. She just slipped a note in there so I can reuse her card. Thank you so much. Thank you, Lou, for thinking of me. I appreciate you. And let's get in to see what she sent us. But I will be reusing that. Oh my goodness. Lou is so talented. I love getting things from her. She's so inspiring. Sorry for all the crinkling. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty this all looks. So she's got some crinkle with some of those gold foam, glittered foam balls. And how cute is this loaded pocket? Look at these slippers. They are freaking adorable with the poinsettias on top. Oh my gosh, so cute, Lou. Okay, let's just take it all out and then, oh, look at that little pom-pom paper clip. That is so perfect. So there's a pocket behind the slippers and then there's a pocket there as well. So cute, these slippers. Okay, so there's another card. Thank you, girl. I love 3x3s. They're great for just like quick little notes. And then a prayer card for I know the plans I have for you. They are plans for good and not for disaster, to give you a future and a hope. Thank you. And then, oh, look at this beautiful tags. She's included. Here's another tag. I like these elf tags. And then another card. These are beautiful. Thank you, Lou. And then there's like another little loaded pocket. These are so cute. She's got, oh, it's an ornament here. Thank you so much. And then on the back side, she's added little pockets for little ephemera and die cut pieces. Oh my gosh, how fun is this? Thank you so much, Lou. Oh, thank you. Thank you for thinking of me. Well, I hope you guys are having a crafty day. Hope you guys are enjoying the season. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.